calls. So the very first question I have for you, Nick, is that, what is XRP? Who built it? And what is it all about? What is XRP all about?
Well, I think Emily pretty much just covered that. And in my opinion, it's a utility token, and it'll be used to basically move money. And as Emily said initially, everybody said that would be the institutional coin to move all the big money, and then Stellar move more the retail side. But I don't, as Emily said, I don't believe that's going to be the case, because if you look at the structure of the ecosystem with Stellar and XRP together, Stellar has many more functionalities and can be used in many, many more ways. Let's say you're buying securities, we'll call them securities, tokens in commodities, or in the future stock market that eventually will come over in the form of the Indus tokens, the seized assets. There'll be currencies. I mean, essentially, in addition to that, retail purchases of goods. So, I mean, there's going to be much more functionality. The more functionality you have, the more volume you do dollar-wise.
But just a quick highlight of, what exactly does Stellar bring to the table? Again, Stellar is not just the retail payments token, it's also the QFS governance tokens. It's the CBDC tokens, the ones that actually destroy the central banks. It's also all the stable coins in the entire world. That is actually global institutional payments. So it's also bonds and commodities, smart contracting, payment rails, stock markets, including the assets of the projects coming in. It's quantum voting, it's wrapped assets from blockchains, it's wrapped blockchains themselves. I mentioned liquidity earlier. We're also bringing NFTs, loyalty rewards tokens, and in the future, there will also be self-banking tokens. So Stellar really is kind of the everything token in terms of global payments, both retail and institutional, but also personal at the same time. So that being said, before we could jump into some of the more juicy discussions on it, I want to quickly introduce, I think for QS